Hello everybody and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at a budget RGB strip from Wobsion. As many of you all know, there are hundreds of RGB strips out there on the market with varying features and pricing. This particular strip is 5 meters in length and costs just £16.99 on Amazon, putting it at the budget end of the scale. So let's find out if this one is a hit or a miss. As we can see from the packaging, the outline features include the radio frequency remote, timing options, the 16.4 foot or 5 meter strip that we've already stated, numerous dimmable options, as well as 4096 colours to choose from with the DIY modes. Taking a look inside the box, we've got everything that you would usually expect. First out we had the nicely illustrated user manual with tips and instructions to help you get started. Next we have the RF remote, which may not sound too impressive, but the remote can be used from any angle and doesn't need a direct line of sight to a receiver, which is a gripe I have with many other strips of this price range. As well as this, we also have the manual control interface, 3 included cable holders. I personally wish there was more of these included, especially for a 5 meter strip, but it's not too much of an issue. And finally the RGB strip coil itself. In regards to the setup process, it's really as simple as you'd expect. You connect the 3-pin male connector from the strip itself into the 3-pin female input on the control interface. Once clipped together, you then plug in the included 1.5 meter power supply cable into the opposite side of the interface. Once connected to the power, the RGB strip instantly lights up. Now the first thing I have to mention here is just how bright these lights actually are, especially for the price. I've purchased many RGB strips in the past and have been very disappointed with the low brightness that they produce, but this is certainly not the case here. Not to mention the colours and the vibrancy are absolutely gorgeous as well. Although you can still get every colour that you want, the remote does not feature the quick colour change options that you would typically find with other RGB strips. Whilst not an issue, it may be an inconvenience to those of you that want to frequently change between different colours. However, in addition to this, there are a few different light settings to choose from, such as strobe, fade, and a few more to play around with. Although I actually haven't tried this myself, the strip is also capable of being cut and paired up with several sets of the same strips, which can all be controlled via one remote. In terms of the strip quality, it's nothing special by any means, but you wouldn't expect that for this price, but it does the job perfectly well. The entire strip has strong self-adhesive backing, and it's stuck to the TV or cabinet wherever you want to put it with no extra tape needed. There are hundreds of strips out there on the market, some good, some bad, and I'm glad to say that the Wobsion 5 meter RGB strip falls into the good category. If you're in the market for a cheap RGB strip and you don't need any of the fancy smart features that are offered from the more expensive alternatives, then this is probably the perfect strip for you. As always, links to the product are down below in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.